Hi there! In this video, we'll go over some of the most common jobs and professions in English. Each one comes with a simple definition and a useful example to help you understand how to use it. We've grouped them into categories to make everything easier to follow. Let's get started. Technology and engineering. Software developer. A software developer writes and builds computer programs and applications. The software developer created a new app for learning languages. IT specialist. An IT specialist manages computer systems and helps solve tech problems. The IT specialist fixed my computer in 5 minutes. Engineer. An engineer designs and builds machines, structures, or systems. She works as a civil engineer on road projects. Mechanic. A mechanic repairs and maintains cars and other machines. I took my car to the mechanic because the engine was making noise. Electrician. An electrician installs and repairs electrical systems. The electrician came to fix the lights in our house. Architect. An architect designs buildings and structures. The architect presented the new design for the museum. Construction and manual work. Plumber. A plumber installs and repairs water pipes and systems. We called the plumber to fix a leaking pipe in the kitchen. Carpenter. A carpenter builds and repairs wooden structures or furniture. The carpenter made a beautiful wooden table for our dining room. Builder, construction worker. A builder or construction worker helps build houses, buildings, or roads. The construction workers are finishing a new apartment building. Welder. A welder joins metal parts together using heat. The welder repaired the broken metal fence. Painter. A painter paints buildings, walls, or objects for decoration or protection. The painter finished the living room walls in just 1 day. Transportation. Driver. A driver operates a vehicle like a car, truck, or bus. The driver picked us up from the airport on time. Pilot. A pilot flies airplanes and is responsible for the safety of the flight. The pilot announced that we would be landing soon. Flight attendant. A flight attendant takes care of passengers on an airplane. The flight attendant offered drinks and snacks during the flight. Sailor. A sailor works on a ship or boat, often helping with navigation and maintenance. The sailors prepared the ship to leave the harbor. Arts and media. Actor. An actor performs in movies, TV shows, or on stage. The actor received an award for his role in the film. Musician. A musician plays instruments or creates music. The musician played the guitar beautifully at the concert. Photographer. A photographer takes professional pictures for events, media, or art. We hired a photographer for our wedding. Writer. A writer creates stories, articles, or books. The writer published her first novel last year. Designer. A designer creates visual content, fashion, or products. The graphic designer created the company's new logo. Journalist. A journalist investigates and writes news stories for newspapers, TV, or online media. The journalist interviewed the mayor after the press conference. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out the others in this series. We've got more professions and examples coming your way. See you in the next one.